What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to put to the test bunch of car gadgets for the snow or ice, especially for windshield, or you need to clean up like at least like 3 inches of snow. So check this out, I got here a broom, looks like a broom anyway. How does this work? Oh, there you go. You can come out like that, extend it a lot. This side here goes front and back, so that way you don't have to hold on to the cold piece. And then you can turn this by pressing it and turning it like that. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Let's see how it does. Okay, I'm gonna start from the top. Nice. Oh, looks like we got ice under there, but it is definitely the easiest way to clean the snow. But as you can see, all that window is full of ice because it started melting and it froze. But as you can see, the brush is perfect. I can go like that and clean the whole window. I have long hands, of course. If you have shorter hands than me, you might just want to step around it. Wow, this thing is amazing. Look, this is probably the fastest way to clean a car, that's for sure. Wow, that does a good job too, and fast. This right here a regular piece, and as you can see, I have to, even with very long hands like mine, I can have to bend over, and still I can only reach a halfway. It does seem good job, but it's just too far. So instead I'd rather use this. Look at that, I can reach all the way to the other side. But as you can see, ice is annoying. I don't like scraping ice on my window because it might scratch up my window. But you have to wait forever for it to melt, especially on the older cars. But I love it, look at that. I can reach all the way down to the other side of the window, so I don't have to walk around. This is awesome. So definitely, instead of this little thing, I'll take this any day. Look how fast we clean the whole window. Also, I love to clean up my car instead of driving and throw snow at the other cars. It's not nice. Might cause an accident or something. This part right here, look, so easy. Don't even put too much pressure, so that way I don't scratch up my car. Very nice. And look, I don't even need gloves. Look how fast that was. I don't have to go to one side, the other side quickly. Okay, that's pretty easy, but what about the top of the SUV? That could be really annoying to clean up too. Look at that, that's easy. Get all the snow out so fast. I love this tool so much, and for windows. Wow, instead of grabbing a broom, you have a specialized snow gadget to clean up your car. Tell me this is not the easiest way to clean up an SUV. Cleaned it up completely from one side. Where this tool was all my life. Usually cleaning snow is so annoying, and if you know you're going to have a lot of snow, just take it out from your closet, get it ready in the morning, clean all that stuff out, get the car warmed up, and you're ready to go. Your car is super clean, you can see everything, so now it's a lot safer. And look at that, don't drive with a ton of snow. Also, when you have lots of snow on your car, that's a lot of weight. That's not fuel efficient. So you want to clean off all the snow, so that way you're not carrying all that weight on your car for nothing. Don't go out on the road with pile of snow on top of it and hit like a snowball fight on the road. So get yourself one of those things. They're not very expensive at all. And look at that, you have to deal with all that ice out here on your mirror too, and the snow inside of your mirror. That gets really annoying. So if you watch a weathercast and they say it's gonna be a lot of snow, use this gadget. Boom, check this out. Snow off car. Let's see what this is all about. And there's right here a little towel. I guess you'd put it right on your mirror. And then this little piece right here. Oh, looks like it comes two in them. And then you put it in. I got one for the SUV. You can get the smaller kind. That way, when it's snowing, I don't have a lot of snow here, and in the morning or at nighttime it melts and it freezes on the mirror. And mirrors, a lot of them don't heat up, so you have to deal with that, scraping it off and scratching the mirror. And then you have another one to put on the other side. And let's see what this one is all about. This is all part of whole thing. Emergency thermal blanket, it comes with that. That's awesome. I put to the test emergency blankets before. They're really nice. Looks like it's in a little pouch, so that way when you don't use it, you can put it all together. You put it on your windshield. Let's see how hard it is. There is a suction cup, and I guess you can put this hook on a handle or something. So grab this hook, put it on a handle, and tie this up. Really easy to make it much tighter. There you go. And then right here it's a suction cup. And then you do the same on this side. Let's make sure it's tight. You don't have to worry about snow at all. All you have to do is just lift this whole thing off and take the snow off of it. And that way you're not going to have frozen windows. You just would take off all the snow like this. Boom. Easy. You know what, guys? I like it. Looks like it fits barely, but it fits. Look at that. It's all closed in one pocket, so I can just store it somewhere close by in the garage, so that way I know there's winter storm coming. I can prepare my car for that. Even if it doesn't snow, it's really easy to put it together, but makes it a lot easier to clean off the car. Thumbs up for me. For this gadget, I know a lot of people have older cars I used to, and my heater or cooler did not work. Well, guess what? You don't have to fix it in your car. You can just buy one of this. I don't know if it's actually very efficient, but let's put it to the test. Oh, that's a lot bigger than I thought. There's right here a sticky piece that you can stick it to something on your dashboard or whatever, but this is how it goes. Fan, off or heat. This is a standard plug right here, 12 volt, pretty sure. Still kinda cold. I'm just waiting on it to start warming up. Okay, now I feel the warmth. You know what? It's actually almost like hair dryer, except with a plug for your car. Let's see if it can defrost a window. You see all that snow? Maybe it's a little bit too much snow, but it is actually getting a lot hotter. Oh, look at that. It's melting. Honestly, it actually takes a little bit to heat up, but it is really hot now. Look at that. That piece of ice melting off completely. Whoa, look at that. It's sliding off now. So it does work. So if you don't have heat and your windows are really frozen, that might be a good idea to have, to help yourself defrost the windows. Look, you can even see how it's all melting. That piece is sliding off now. So you know what, guys, if you don't have a heater in your car, I think this is better than nothing. What was this thing when I had an old car? Pretty cool, huh? Let me know in comments below, what do you think? Would you use one of these things or not? For the next gadget, also, if you don't have any heat in your car and it's freezing, you gotta drive for 30 minutes to work in a freezing car, freezing cold, well, they sell the heated pads for your seat. Okay, let's open this up and let's see what it's all about. You know how it works. You put this pad in. Oh yeah, also this plastic piece goes in here, and then you stick it into the car and go put it to the other side, so that way it's not coming off. That's a smart idea. A regular 12 volt plug right here, high, off, low, heat. On non-heated seat right here, it's 32 degrees, 33 degrees. That's freezing cold. The water starting to freeze at 32 degrees. But on a heated pad right here, it's 76, 70, 69. 72, 68. Wow. Once again, where was this gadget when I needed it the most? When I had a car without heated seats. You know what would you rather sit on? 32-degree seats or 75-degree seats? I'll take 75 on a really cold day, especially if my car does not have any heat, like it's broken or something. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.